guys, it's Holly the Twister Sister back with another free balloon animal tutorial for you guys. Now if you're a channel member of mine, this week you are getting some custom clip art that goes along with this design so you can throw it on your menu. If you're not sure about channel membership, what it is, how to join, check the link in the description of this video. It'll give you all the information you need to know. So it is April already. Congratulations if you guys survived yesterday, April Fool's Day. I know I fell for a few things on Facebook, but luckily no harm was done. But oh my goodness, it's already April, and so we're gonna start doing all the spring sort of themed animals and stuff this month. So this week, you guys know I am on a bracelet kick with doing different types of animals as bracelets. So yeah, we're doing a bunny bracelet this week, and I'm super excited about this one, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. I could definitely see doing this design in line work situation. It only takes 3 balloons, and then you can do some Sharpie art. I'm going to show you at the end another kind of alternative if you want to make this design a little bit quicker, or at least save yourself the Sharpie art. So we're going to start off inflating a 6-inch linking balloon. You can get a link balloon or a quick link, whatever you prefer. I think I am using Battletex balloons tonight though. So you want to go ahead and fully inflate it and then let a bunch of air out. You don't want it to be overinflated, so you really want to get a nice round ball shape on this link balloon. And then when you tie the knot, you want to tie it as close to the end of the nozzle as possible. Okay, so get your knot way out here. That way when you squeeze your balloon, there's a lot of space for your balloon to fill in that uninflated bit, okay? Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually twist off a nice big round bubble here at the beginning of our balloon. And then you're gonna take the nozzle of this, like get it right down on the knot, and you're gonna pull that down into the twist. So really bring it down and pull it nice and snug. Wrap your bubble around so you've got that knot twisted around the twist that you made. All right, so that's gonna be a nice little bunny head for us, okay? Now, next thing you wanna do so this doesn't come undone is attach your 260 into it pretty quickly. So we're gonna take a pink 260, and I inflate it about halfway or so. I'm leaving about a 3 to 4 inch tail, and just go ahead and tie that off. And you can wrap this around a few times in the head. And then if you want to really secure it, you could tie it onto the nozzle that you have in here. Maybe if you're doing this to some rambunctious kids. I'm just going to wrap it around a few times and call it good. Now we're going to start off with the bunny rabbit ears. So I'm going to come up about however long I want his ears to be, 4 inches or so, and make a twist. We're going to do another bubble the same size for the other ear. You're going to bring that down, wrap it around the ears and the head. 1 full twist there. Now before we start making the legs on this little guy, we need to have something to attach them to in the back. So this is where I like to grab a white 5-inch round and just inflate it a little tiny bit, just enough to have a nice round bunny tail on the back of our bracelet here. Tie those really nice and tight so you get that tail as close into the body as possible. Okay, so we've got that. It's gonna be the head, the ears, big fat pudgy body, and a big fat bushy tail, which is what I love, okay? And now we're gonna do the pretty typical legs on an animal bracelet. So it's just gonna be 4 bubbles of about 2 to 3 inches each. So once you get your first 2, you're gonna wrap them into your little bunny tail in the back. So we've got them tucked on there. And then you're gonna come back up the other side with the other 2, the other arm and the other leg. Now I also want to show you guys, this is kind of off the cuff, but my big fat pinch twist here at the head just came undone, but it's actually looking kind of cute like that with the nozzle as the nose. So there's kind of another option for you if you don't like what I'm about to show you. You could do the head like that. But to finish this off, before I fix that, I just want to show you how I'm going to finish this off. The rest of this inflated balloon we don't need, so we can come out to the very end here, just make a little hole. You want to make sure you come out to the end because we need this uninflated bit. We're going to bring it back into the tail and use the nozzle of either the white 5-inch round or use the little linking bit that you have back there and tie onto the rest of your balloon tail, and that is what will make this a bracelet. Okay, so you have this as a bracelet and you can be done like that. Now I am going to put this back how I plan to show you. So just take that nozzle and wrap it back around the ears and all that. I think it's a little bit cuter like this. So this is the face. It's kind of a blank palette for us to draw whatever kind of face we want to on here. And I'm just going to show you how I do mine. Okay, so we've got that. Super cute. All right, so once you draw the face on, then you are good to go. Now, if you have some time, you want to impress people, of course, you can whip out your paint pens and do the whites of the eye in white. You could color the nose in pink, make the teeth white also, and that would be really cute. But if you're in a quick moving situation, this is totally cute. And I see a lot of just bunnies by themselves this time of year. Bunny ear headbands, but I don't see a lot of bunny bracelets. So this could be something new and unique that you offer your customers this year that they maybe haven't seen. And it's also great for fairs and festivals because they don't have to hold on to anything. Usually they're gonna have their hands full of baskets and goodies and giveaways and food. And so bracelets are a great option for line work, festival, carnival type events, which happen a lot this time of year. So that is my cute little line work bunny bracelet. I hope you guys like it. I do want to show you one other alternative. I have to mention this. So if you don't want to draw the face on your bunny, maybe you're really bad at artwork or it slows you down, you guys have to know about Corinne Smith's bunny print faces. They are the cutest, and you can totally tell my artwork on my bunny was absolutely inspired by her print. You can get these at Lorax exclusively. There's a link in the description below that'll take you right there. These will sell out. They sold out every year since she's introduced them. So if you want to get them, I would go now and order them, because as soon as this video drops and people are reminded about these cute faces, they're going to be sold out. Even if you're not using them for this, they are great for so many designs, and Corinne has a ton of ideas on how to use these prints. They're adorable. I want to show you how I made this little, it's the same design, just with the print for the face. And so how I did that, since this is a linking balloon, you just inflate it, underinflate it. You don't want it to be too big. Okay, so nice little round ball there. And then I take both ends right on the back side of the face, and I tie both ends together in a nice double knot. So there's the face. I'm tying the link tip and the nozzle together. We're gonna do a double knot. And then I just used this on the front part of the bunny. I attached it to the quick link, to the 5-inch round, and then added my 260 all around. So it's really the same process. You're just adding an extra balloon to the design, but the trade-off is you don't have to draw the face on. So, you know, whatever you prefer doing, there's a couple of options there for you to choose from. I'd love to hear what you plan on doing this year for all of your fair and festival events that are coming up. And of course, again, if you're a channel member, make sure you snag the clip art for this week's design. If you're not a channel member, it's available to purchase at my website, thetwistersister.com, so you can throw this up on your menu and be ready to go for the bunny rabbit request for this month. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'd love to see pictures if you guys make any bunny bracelets this week, or if this inspires you to make something else this week. I'd love if you could post on Facebook and tag Holly the Twister Sister or hashtag the Twister Sister. That will totally make my day. Now I'd love to hear from you. What do you guys want to see a tutorial on? And maybe you don't want to see a tutorial. Maybe you want to see some advice, some Q&A, some product reviews. Let me know what you guys would like to see so that I know which direction to go for future videos. That's sort of my whole purpose of being here, is to help you guys out. So let me know what you guys need help with and what you'd like to see me do next. So thanks for joining me on your Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back again next week with another free balloon animal tutorial for you guys. So make sure, if you're not already, that you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. I'll see you guys back again next week for another Tutorial Tuesday. Till then, have a great week, everyone. Bye.